Rafael spent decades working as a delivery driver. Long days, heavy lifting, constant movement. It was demanding work, but he took pride in being reliable. By age 58, though, heart disease had changed his entire life. Even after multiple stents, his ejection fraction stayed low at 30 to 35%. One city block of walking left him breathless for minutes. Standing more than 10 to 15 minutes triggered shortness of breath, and swelling in his legs meant he had to elevate them twice a day just to control the edema. The medications helped his heart rhythm, but not his ability to function. Beta blockers made him dizzy and slowed his thinking, unsafe for driving, unsafe for lifting, unsafe for delivery work. Rafael filed for SSDI, hoping Social Security would understand how limited he really was. But like so many people with heart conditions, he was denied at the initial level. That's when he reached out to an SSDI attorney for help. His attorney took over the appeal immediately, filing the request for reconsideration, then submitting the request for a hearing when SSA denied him again. They helped gather and organize every piece of evidence Rafael needed to prove his case: updated cardiology notes, test results, medication side effects, and a detailed RFC from his cardiologist showing he could lift no more than 10 pounds, would be off task around 20% of the day, and would likely miss work 2 to 3 days each month. By the time the hearing arrived, Rafael wasn't facing it alone. His attorney prepared him, explained the judge's questions, and represented him throughout the hearing. And it made all the difference. When the vocational expert reviewed the RFC limits, the fatigue, the off-task time, the leg elevation requirements, they testified that no competitive work existed that Rafael could sustain full-time. Even though Rafael didn't meet a specific heart disease listing, the administrative law judge found the overall evidence compelling and granted Rafael full SSDI benefits. Stories like Rafael's show how powerful a well-prepared hearing can be, especially with an advocate who knows how to present the medical limits that really matter. At Disability Advocates Group, we help people nationwide complete SSDI applications, file appeals, request hearings, prepare evidence, and win the SSDI benefits they deserve. Call 800-788-2095 for a free consultation, or use our free SSDI screener on our website to see if you may qualify. The link is in our bio.